What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro. I hope the audio sounds better in this video. I had some background noise I had to cancel, so hopefully this sounds better. But today I want to talk about FES, which is Financial Education Services. And I've been into the credit restoration, credit process, credit education for the last 2 years or 3 years. I even wrote a book on it that I will put in the link below, the description below. But I'm not here to sell you my book. I'm here to share information. And the reason I want to join FES is because they offer great services. I know a couple people that has success with this company, and it's about building a team. It's about educating the customers, the clients. Um, so I talked to customer service at FES, and basically they provide all the information. The client has to do is just send the information to the credit agencies. That's why the process or the membership is so cheap, which a lot of companies do anyway. But they do have a team of lawyers, like just in case you either get sued or by a credit agency, which you can be, and we'll talk about that later, um, or any other mishaps legally that need to be done, which is great. So I believe in not only repairing your credit, but educating yourself about credit. Some of the programs they offer I see are FES Protection Plan Plus. Let's go and see what that is. Okay, I did read that early. That is the cellular service, which is $49 a month, no contract, no credit check, and all of that, which I love. That's pretty cheap. They have FES Travel, which is $20 per month, savings on hotels, rental cars, flights, all of that. Awesome. They even have something like telemedicine program called My Healthcare to Go, which is $25 a month, and that's amazing. A lot of people need that service. Let's see what else they have. They have life insurance, care plan, essentials for life uncertainties. Is this life in? Yeah, not life insurance. I'm sorry. It's a will living trust, healthcare power of attorney, things like that. That's awesome. I know they have a secured credit card where you can rebuild your credit, things like that. But if you go through any other of my videos, you can see like Self and Credit Strong, which you pay into the system and you get that money back at the end of the payment plan, and they report that to the credit bureaus to help you rebuild your credit or repair your credit. Uh, the credit program is what the clients sign up for. They have an online portal. I'm talking about FES, that you can go on there and look at your updates and your credit scores and things like that. The features is 24/7. You get alerts and everything, just like Identity Q and other credit monitoring programs. They also offer rent reporting, which a lot of people don't know about. See, you're paying rent every month, and they don't report that to the credit bureaus. That will help you in the long run if you have it reported on time or positively. The only time these companies report that rent to your credit report is when they're about to put you out, or you already left and you haven't paid your balance and things like that, which will destroy your credit. Trust me, I know. Let's see, Ultra Score. What is this? Access to your online account 24/7, tips on how to build positive credit. That's the thing. Not only are they just offering to repair credit, they're offering to transform your mindset about credit. You know what I'm saying? So it's great to have. It's great to have. Um, and the reason that I am going to sign up, even though I know a lot about credit, is because teamwork. It's better to have a team than just one person doing everything. Um, they offer all these other services as well, and just talking to people, getting to know people, and sharing information, sharing success, sharing credit, because credit is so important in life. It's like the air we breathe, and we don't realize that. We don't get taught how to build credit, how to repair credit in school. Most of our parents didn't know about it. They didn't teach us about it. Our grandparents didn't teach us about this. So let's get into the notion. Let's change the next generation about credit, about wealth building, about time, because that's something we can't buy back. We can't buy time back. And you go to school, you get a degree, but you can't get a degree in credit. You can't. You're not taught business in school. You get a business degree, but you're not taught real life experiences. Some of us get up in age to 40, 50 years old and learn that, wow, credit is important. Some people say, well, just use money, but you can use money and run out of money, but credit is king. Credit is king. And it's okay to have money as well, but learn how to build your credit, learn these different avenues of credit education. You know what I mean? You guys, let me know what you think about FES, Financial Education Services, their products. And I bet you didn't know about their rent reporting, did you? Nope. Comment below. Please subscribe. Financial Pro YouTube channel. See you next time, guys.